Hey, baddies and buddies, it's Tanya Lawrence, and it's Tuesday, so that means tonight it's the first Tuesday of the month. It's going to be Tuesdays with Tanya, and I want to make sure you know how to get in and click that you are interested in joining tonight. It's very important that you do that so that I make sure you have the documents that you need to be able to download or look at on a separate computer before the call starts tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I am going to turn around my camera real quick so you can see my screen. You're going to go to TanyaLawrence.net. Let's see, TanyaLawrence.net. And once you go there, it's going to give you the ability to log in. Once you do so, if you're already registered, you can log in. It's going to show a screen something like this. If you're an affiliate, your screen will look like this. For anyone else, everyone will have this dashboard at the top. So you're going to go to the Inner Circle Currency, Cryptocurrency Coaching. And once you click on that, it says Open Community. You're going to open the community and scroll down just a tad to go to the upcoming events, which is tonight, January 7th at 7 p.m. And on here, you're going to tap on those three lines, the hamburger bars. You're going to press interested. And that is going to allow me to send you the email that has the attachment you need for tonight. Also, tonight, when the call starts, you just go back to TanyaLawrence.net, go to the inner circle, and there will be a go live button here. So you just click on that to go live. You don't have to worry about a Zoom link or anything like that. You just go back to Tanya, www, make sure you put that in the front, www.TanyaLawrence.net to get into the community. Also, guys, tonight is very special because you have the opportunity to invite people to join us for free for the entire month of January. The Inner Circle is free, so give out the link innercircle.tanyalawrence.net and or dot com. I'm sorry. Innercircle.tanyalawrence.com. That is very easy for people to get straight to the inner circle. They could just go to www.tanyalawrence.net if you want, but the inner circle link is innercircle.tanyalawrence.com. Once they go there, they are able to get into the inner circle, follow the steps I just showed you, and see what we have coming up for the year. Tonight's call is going to be very impactful, especially with everything that's going on with the new administration and setting people up to be prepared to have a massive crypto portfolio for 2025. So you definitely want to be here tonight. Make sure you bring at least two people with you for free. They sign up. They don't like it, they can cancel, but they get to get in for free for the entire month. So we got three calls. The first and the third are Tuesdays with Tanya, and the second Tuesday is a Q&A call.